What is up, guys? My name is Carter Chi and welcome back to another video. Guys, I could not be more excited for what I'm about to show you guys today. And I'm guessing you guys already know by the title of this video, but I picked up the Cobb Accessport. Now, I picked up this Accessport used from the AP guys, so huge shout out to them. If you guys need any used Accessport, they got it. So let's get on with the install. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just make sure my key is in. And then OBD2 port is going to be somewhere next to the clutch, up here somewhere. I'm going to snake this dude right here. Alright, so OBD2 cable is plugged in. Now time to plug in the Accessport. I got mine with the black faceplate on it. So let's plug this thing in. Let's see this real quick. Alright, now that the Accessport is plugged in, let's go ahead and hit OK. Let's go to install. So the Accessport says please ensure that it is in the on position. So please confirm that your vehicle matches the identification results. 2017 USDM WRX. Enter. Okay, so I have anti-theft mode, stage 0, stage 1. Let's go with the Cobb stage 1 tune. Oh yeah. Alright, it says battery charger is recommended, but you don't really need it. Just make sure you turn everything off, like your AC, headlights, everything. Let me actually dim down everything just in case. And this is going to be the boring part, waiting for it to communicate with the ECU. Alright, this is actually going a lot quicker than I thought it'd be. It's only been a couple minutes and it's already at 95%, 98, 99, 100. Okay. Now it's flashing the ECU. Ooh, 100%! Please leave the ignition in the off position. Alright. Let's hit OK. Please leave it back to the on position. Alright. Let's continue. Okay, installation successful. Please turn ignition key to the off position for at least 15 seconds. Right.
One eternity later.
Ooh, stage 1. How awesome is that? I'm so excited. Let's turn this back up. Okay, I'm at stage 1. Oh man, this is so exciting. Let's see what I have now. Oops, that shouldn't have come off. Okay. Let me see. Performance. 0 to 60, quarter mile. That's cool. Let's see what else I have. Troubleshooting, tune. All right. Okay, car seems to be running fine. Alright, that was the stage 1 install. Next time you see me, we're going to be going out for a drive in it. Alright, this is going to be the first test drive with the stage 1 tune. Now, from what I've read, the stage 1 tune at first is going to seem a little boggy because the ECU still has to learn the throttle controls. But before we do that, I kind of want to set launch control up because I've always just been curious about it. Let's see, launch control. 8, let's set that. Let's set launch control to like 2,000 RPM right now just to see. Or maybe 2,500. No, 2,000. I have neighbors. Let's see. That's awesome. Okay, actually, let me set that to 3,000. That's awesome. Alright, let's go for a drive. Let's go to gauges. Alright, let's see. Wow. Alright. Let's see if we get those same boost readings. 8, 8. Alright. Yeah, the boost readings are the same. Turn the AC on, it's getting hot in here. Wow, no rev hang. Yeah. Thank you. I wonder if launch control only works if like the car's at a standstill or the clutch just has to be in. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, the clutch, it has to be in first gear. Oh well, okay. I guess that makes sense. And this guy just cut me off, thank you. a lot more responsive than I thought it'd be. That really pushed me back. Was not expecting that at all. Alright, see another Subaru. Got a wave. Turn signal, dude. Wow, okay, so power feels a little more... I don't know how to describe it, it's just awesome. Like, that's like the best way I could describe it. It just feels really good. Way better than the stock tune. My gauges look good. I'm getting target boost. Now, Cobb says that this tune will get you to around 300 horsepower. I don't know if that's true or not. So, I mean, from 268 to 300 crank horsepower, not a bad jump. I mean, unless you put this on a dyno, I don't think you're really going to be able to tell, but I mean, you could definitely feel that there's been an improvement in power. So, yeah. Let's keep driving. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. If you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.